Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the importance of post-construction cleanup. I love it. I started out doing post-construction and it really changed my business. I had gotten a couple of accounts. Loved construction. I actually started in Orlando, Florida. So much going on there, even currently when it comes to a lot of building. So it was a great market to get started post-construction. Now, I wanted to make sure that you understood there are 3 to 4 phases. I'm going to talk about 3. So the first one is the rough cleaning. The rough cleaning is when you're taking all the adhesive off, you're removing stickers, you're making sure that you take, everything out. Sometimes you may have to remove sinks and different things, and that may be a renovation, but you're removing everything out. That's the rough clean. The second is going to be sort of like the deep detail clean. That's when you're going in and you're cleaning the restrooms, you're getting all the grime, the stuff off the bathroom floors, wiping out the dust from the walls. This is going to take the longest. And this is one of those areas you really want to make sure you have a great team, especially if you're, backs against the wall and you've got to get in there and get out. Have a team that you work with. You've seen their work. Try your best not to have someone show up that you've not seen what they've done as an employee or a subcontractor. And the last is going to be your final. The final clean is a pretty. That's when you're putting in like the little, like stainless steel cleaner, things like that, wiping down the sinks, getting them to a brilliant shine. The bright work is going to be shining. That's your final clean. All of them can be done by you, or you may just plan and look to focus in one, become specialized in rough cleaning or specialize in the final clean. A lot of people like doing the final clean because it's all the pretty work. And you'd be surprised how much money that rough clean can pay as well. So if you'd like to have a team, you can get a team together and 2 of them do the rough clean, in charge of that, and you can break it down so that you cover everything. So that is what I think about post-construction. I think it's a great area to get started in, and it's especially you can start or you can just do that for your business exclusively. Just focus on that. But if you'd love to know more, then what can you do? You can sign up for my free masterclass where I go into everything you need to do to scale your business to what? 6 figures and beyond. Pow! And I look at doing that in government or commercial contracts. So make sure you sign up for my free masterclass where I'm going to talk to you about how to scale your business. And yes, they do post-construction cleanup, a lot of it in government. I look forward to seeing you. Click the link to register. And until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.